Alright, it's been a while since I've done a video. I'm setting up an everyday carry bag. One essential item would be a sidearm, which is right here. And then if you're going to carry a sidearm, you should carry away the plug holes. So I have an IFAK kit here, tourniquet, a pen to write the time, gloves, Israeli bandages, more bandages, some gauze. So there's that. Carry a knife, just for a knife is handy. Paper towel. And my holster's in there, so that helps keep the sidearm secure. And we got compass, because compass is nice to have. Tape, because tape. Flashlight, rechargeable flashlight that is. And then we have spare battery, lighter and matches. And we have our other pocket. Another flashlight, knife sharpener, because we have a knife, we should have a way to sharpen it, and a spare magazine. So that is what I have in my everyday carry bag so far. That I would share.